ومن أحسن قولا ممن دعا إلى الله.
Alhamdulillah, we brought all the books today. The days that we're not here because they know it's the day before Eid or you're in Atikaf, they come. We brought all the evidences books. Don't just sit around trying to find, little Googled up misprints and things. We brought the evidences here where they are. You want to know Masihi in the Quran? Here you go. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the Quran, Mal Masih ibn Maryam illa Rasul. That's it. Mal Masih ibn Maryam illa Rasul. He is nothing except a messenger in the Quran itself. You want evidences, you want references, we got the books. Don't just sit there on Clubhouse. Come out. Look at the shayateen yelling to disturb the adhan.
A stubborn, foolish adult child.
Go ahead.
For they love to pray standing.
Look at this.
They love
Look at this.
to pray standing in the
Look at this.
to be seen by the public.
Look at this. They weren't speaking. They weren't doing anything until the adhan started, and you see the shayateen in them come out. Shayateen come out, and look at them now, right? Otherwise, they don't give da'wah. They don't just put a tent. They come when we give adhan, they start yelling. When we give da'wah, they come to our tent. If they were on the truth, they would be able to answer a single question. We saw they couldn't answer a single question in their Bible. Now look at them. Make a show out of it. You think your yelling is going to stop the Islam? Never. You can scream and scream all you want, but Islam will not stop. Hey, I'm going to come ask a question. I got to pray, and I gave my word to this man that I'm going to talk to him first. I'm going to ask the question. You said you're going to answer the question, right? You see this? You see this? What did you say? Okay, let me ask the question then. You see this? You see? Now you're going to keep your word. You're going to keep your word as a Christian. No. I talked to you right now, and I told you I'm going to come ask a question. You're going to answer. Now watch. Where's your Christian brother? Watch. He said, I'm going to come and we're going to ask. No. I'm going to ask you a question. You're going to answer my question. You guys have not answered a single question. You're cowards. You guys are running. You will not answer. I'm going to look. He said, you said you keep to your words, right? I asked him, I'm going to ask a question. When I come, they're going to answer. When I'm asking a question, they're running from it. They're running from it. I explained this. I explained it. All these Christians cannot answer a single answer. Now I'm going to speak. You see this?
Let me talk. Look, you said you were going to come over here?
Yeah.
Ask him a question?
Yes.
He'll answer your question?
Yes. Yes, I did. No, I told you right now. Look, listen.
Anthony, quiet, please.
No, don't Anthony quiet. Anthony can speak. Anthony, speak if you want to.
Do you want him to speak to you?
Yeah, that's right.
Then show him honor and he will show you honor. No. He said he was going to ask one question.
But Anthony.
You see that?
Shaykh, you know that you said you were going to finish this.
No problem.
Right? Okay. So finish
let
that.
Let me finish.
I'll answer it.
Let me speak now. Can I speak? Anthony, can I speak now?
No, you're supposed to. Please.
Okay, now let me speak. Let me speak. They won't let me speak. How am I going to have a conversation? Okay. You guys are cutting me off, right?
All right, this is a Shaykh who said that it's complete. This is complete. He's educated. He's a scholar. He's a teacher. He's a professor, and he's saying that it's finished. Could you please read that here? What he said?
Ma kana.
Okay, give me the marker too. He's not big now.
You see this? They won't answer my one question.
No.
My one question. Okay, now.
And then ask the question.
Let me.
Yeah, we're gonna answer that. Yeah, you did say that. Okay, here you go. You're right.
You see this? This is Christ-like.
All right.
Hold on.
Okay.
You see it?
What is that?
Didn't you say over there you were going to finish?
Let me speak. Okay. Every time I speak, you guys interrupt, right?
Go ahead, please.
Now, when I came to you, I spent hours explaining this.
To who?
The videos.
When?
You.
When?
You see, he's not letting me speak now. When I walked up to you, I wrote this out to you without nukut or harakat as the Mus'haf Uthman Radiyan would be. I explained to you the Mus'haf Uthman, how qatila and qutila would be read both from this writing. Why? Because the original Mus'haf, do you know what it is? Does not have dots or harakat. So all of Allahu Akbar, we made it clear. Now, I'm not done talking.
Go ahead, let him talk.
I explained all of that. I answered all your questions. Right now, I told you, you said you want to come. I said, I will come first, ask a question. You answer it. Then I will talk this. But even then, that's what I told you. I told you. Let me finish. I told you, right?
Let him finish, yeah.
This whole day, you've been asking me questions. You've been asking. I have not been able to ask a single question. Why? Because you guys are afraid of the Bible. This is your kryptonite. When I mention the Bible, thank you for admitting that, right? When I bring the Bible, you guys run from it, right? If you can answer one question of mine from the Bible as I ask it, I will then discuss this with you.
Okay,
That's
see, here
it.
go. No, hold on, Shaykh. Now, see, talk.
Go ahead.
Now, let me talk.
One question.
I
Go
let
ahead.
you talk.
Go ahead.
I let you talk, okay? First of all, could you please show me the video where you explain to us this thing?
Sure.
All right? First of
Sure,
all,
yeah, I'll show you right now.
Yeah, no.
Right
Okay.
now.
No, okay.
You
Hold on,
asked for it, now
let
you-
me finish. Let me finish.
He asked for something.
Let me finish.
Okay, go
You're
ahead.
going to show that. That's okay. You can show later on, okay? Because you're going to put it, okay?
I got you.
Anyway, what is the meaning of this one? It's wrote down one meaning is a fight. This is a fight.
Yeah.
Okay? Could you write down the other word meaning for it?
Again,
There's a fight. Both is a fight?
let me explain this to
Okay.
you. You asked the question.
Sure.
When
Okay,
qutila,
hold on, let me get it for you. Hold it. I'm gonna get something. Okay, go ahead.
go ahead.
So you are going to translate it, right?
Yeah, he's gonna translate. I'm asking.
I will.
I'm asking for translation. Okay, go ahead, Shaykh. Go ahead. What you saying? Go ahead,
ahead.
say what you
Go
saying. No, you say. Tell me. Okay.
Okay. Now you see, once again, you guys didn't let me ask a single question.
Okay. See now.
You see that? You see that? No, I got you. I got you. I will translate it.
Go back.
I will translate it.
Okay.
But I'm just showing the world how afraid you are of your Bible.
That's okay.
You are,
We
right?
can see
You
the-
are. Kryptonite for you, right? Because you can't answer a single question.
lying.
What?
We want to answer you. We want to
Okay.
answer you.
So I'm gonna, but you're not going to.
Let me
Go ahead.
finish.
Go ahead.
Okay, when we were standing over there, Avery was over there. Then he came over and you said, "I'm only going to speak to one of you right now."
Sure.
And he said, "Okay, come over here." And you said,
Sure.
"I will come over there and finish it." Did you say that?
I did.
Okay.
And
then after that-
hold
Hold
on.
on.
Let me.
And then
Go
you
ahead.
said, "Okay, well, if I come over there, I'll ask a question and you'll answer it." And I said, "Yeah, sure, no problem. You come
Look,
over."
again,
have a priority
you're forgetting, right? I told you I'm going to ask a question first.
No.
Because I did. But if you didn't hear me, that's up to you. Okay. Now let me explain this. Okay. Calm down. Honestly, you know that I spent the whole day with you today. I spent a whole day with him on this.
Okay,
It's not an
this
issue.
is a lie,
You
complete
guys
lie.
have.
You
It's a lie.
lie.
I haven't spent the whole day with you.
Too.
How, with Avery?
You're talking to me.
When I was standing with you with your friends.
Where?
Okay.
Oh,
I'm going to show you the video. I'm going to show the videos now.
Talking about my friend. You said
You were there.
No, I have been
The
asking-
first
I have
time
been
you
asking-
came here,
I have
there were
been-
two
let
videos
me-
of me
let me-
answering
let
you.
me
No,
finish,
no,
let
this
me-
is a lie.
let me finish,
I'm going to
let
post
me-
those videos
sure,
again in
let
this
me
video.
finish, let me talk.
I spent time with you the first time you came,
Screaming not
the
gonna make
second
you
time
true.
you came. No, let me
Screaming is
finish.
not- no.
Let me finish.
Okay,
The
alright.
day I wrote this out, who was I standing with?
Okay, no, that you're talking to the other guy.
You
No,
weren't
you
there?
didn't.
You're a
run away
liar.
from you.
You're a liar.
Oh
Who
my
brought
God.
this board? Who
I
brought
brought-
this?
I brought-
You brought it.
I
So it was
brought-
you.
Okay.
The lie right there.
Oh,
He
shit.
just said that he wasn't there. That he wasn't there. He said he wasn't there. Who brought the board?
I said,
He
oh
did.
my God,
You
I
are
did
a
not.
liar.
I said,
And you
okay.
on face,
Hold
yeah.
on, hold on,
No. Wait. No. This
No,
isn't
I
your
did not
show.
wait. I did not.
You're
Oh,
a liar.
I did
When
not.
when I showed you
You're making a
clear
show.
contradictions
I
in the
said,
Bible,
okay, all right,
you had
okay,
no
see.
answers.
Oh, he's screaming
When
at
you
me.
brought this, yeah, because you won't let me
He's
speak.
Getting away
Now,
from it. He's getting away from it. I never
Now,
denied that.
I
did
will
not-
translate
No, you
this.
say your whole day.
and
spent
right
with me.
after that,
No, you
the whole
said
day I
that.
was with
No,
you, I'll
not
show
with
the
me,
videos.
not with me.
With you more than one
no,
day.
you was running
More than
from
one
my
day, you liar.
question.
The
Okay.
videos are online.
Okay, we're still there.
Okay.
Okay, all right.
I will
Okay,
translate
read
this,
that.
and
Okay.
right after that, then I will ask my question.
Yes,
Agreed?
Yes, we agree.
No. Because what you're gonna do, you know it's already past me to go. I have a flight.
Okay.
Yeah. I gotta go. But I'm gonna do this,
Okay,
right?
could you please
I'm
read
gonna
that?
do this.
Could you read that?
Right. I will
Okay.
read it.
Okay, read that. Okay.
I got you.
Yeah. Okay.
What?
Okay.
You guys are doing this for your
Yes,
viewing
yes.
platform. I do not. Turn the cameras off.
You turn yours off. Because we're
Okay,
gonna tell the truth.
let's do it right now. Right now. He said turn them off. Turn them off. We'll turn ours. You turn yours. Yeah, you will not turn yours off because you are doing this for the views. You're doing this to grow your platform, and you said it. You said when you first came out again. Yeah.
That camera is on.
Our Messiah said, "Blessed is he who
Okay.
makes
Anthony,
peace,
please.
right?
Okay.
So we can turn off all our cameras and we
Anthony,
can have
could
a
you
civil.
please-
Let's do
Could you
it.
please
Let's do
keep
it.
your way-
Anthony, the Christian brother from here said it. Let's do it.
stay away from it?
Let's do it. Let's do it. You see that?
Okay.
You see that? You want to turn them off? Let's turn them all off.
We're gonna
You
tell
see
the
that,
truth.
Anthony?
No, we're not gonna
You
be-
see your
No,
Christian
we're not gonna
brethren?
listen to him.
You see your
We're not
Christian
listening
brother
to
not
him. We're
listening to
gonna
you?
tell the truth.
These are your brethren? You mentioned Jesus Christ's words and look at them.
No,
Okay.
but hold
Anyway,
on.
that's fine. Okay.
Don't worry,
All
I
right.
will turn it off.
Okay.
Yeah,
No,
but
no, no,
hopefully not have
no.
Anthony, you're Christian, right? Are you Christian?
I follow the Messiah, Jesus, my Lord, my Savior, my God, Jesus Christ.
And when you brought your statement from your Messiah, do these Christians follow him?
Sheikh, could you please read? You're gonna be late.
Look at these guys. Look at these guys. What did he say? What did he say from Jesus?
To make peace.
Right? And he, as a Christian brother, said that why don't you guys stop the show? But you guys don't want to because you're here for the views. Now, go ahead. Now I'm going to answer this, and Anthony, as the only Christian here that seems to be, when I answer it here, they're going to ask me my question. They're not just going to keep talking about it because what they're doing is running from the Bible. The whole time that I was standing there with Avery, I answered and answered, and he ran. You are only here to disturb our dawah.
Yes,
You're not here. You see this? You see this? They're only here to disturb our dawah. You're a liar. Allah is one. You said Allah doesn't exist.
Of course.
Allah doesn't exist. Doesn't exist. Doesn't exist. And the book you gave out said Jesus is the Lamb of Allah in Arabic. You liar. You are a liar. Jesus is your Lamb?
No.
Jesus is your Lamb? Jesus is your Lamb? You're Allah in the Arabic Bible? He's Allah in the Arabic Bible, the Father, the God. This is Allah. Jesus is His Lamb. His Son. Is Jesus your Son? Is Jesus your Son? You are caught on video. You said you're Allah. The Arabic Bible says Jesus is the Son of God, the Son of Allah. Is Jesus your Son? You are caught. Is Jesus your son? Is Jesus your son?
What you doing?
Nothing, I'm talking to you. Is Jesus your son? Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I'm not touching you. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. No, what the? Hey, don't touch me. Don't touch. No touching. Get your hand off me. Don't touch. I didn't touch you. Don't touch me. No, look, I'm peaceful. Give my Bible. No, don't touch me. You touched me. You can't answer a question. That doesn't mean you gotta touch. No, but you touch me. Don't touch me. No. I didn't touch him. You don't touch me. No, you touch me, I'll knock you out. Don't try to think I'm a punk. No, I'm serious. Wisdom? Then don't touch me. Watch out. You did touch me. It's on camera you touched me and you touched me. No, don't be touching me. No. I didn't touch you.
An eye for an eye only makes the world blind.
Look, this guy's coming up on me. This guy's touching me. I'm telling you, you said you're Allah.
Were you scared for your life?
No. Yeah, but that doesn't mean a man can touch me. I'm not a punk. You know that. If somebody comes and touches you, you're gonna. It's not about love when somebody's lying like that. You said you're Allah. And the Arabic Bible, the Arabic Bible says, look, I will translate on one condition, that after that I will get to ask my question. I'm cool. I'm cool.
No, we don't.
I will.
They don't.
You don't. You see,
They do not
you just said
believe
we all believe one true God, and he said we don't.
You don't.
Yeah, we don't.
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Call me nudges.
All right.
Yeah, you are. What do you want me to do about it?
Translate.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Read that here, please.
I'm going to translate if you don't mind. Back up off me now, okay?
You're the one who coming to me.
Look. Listen, you're the one that touched me, though. Don't be touching me. You did touch me. You're on video. If I show video of you touching, you're a liar? You want to punch me?
No, I said I'm not punching. I just said that.
If you touch me, that's touching. Don't touch me. It's on video. You did. You lied.
Okay. No, I'm not.
You lied. You said you didn't touch me. I know you did, and so did he. And I'm telling you, don't be touching me.
I'm touching you because I don't want you guys fighting.
Yeah. Listen. You stay where you're at. Don't be getting involved in us. You feel me? I'm in my space. If I don't touch anybody, I'm in my space. Yeah, I don't need your protection. Thank you.
Okay, go ahead. Please read that.
When you look at the Arabic word of qatala, it comes from the root word that means to fight, and the word qatal, murder or kill, has the same root word. So qutila.
You know Arabic?
Yes, I know Arabic.
Okay, hold on. Okay, let me see that.
You see this now, right?
No, we want to make sure that.
You know Arabic?
I don't.
Okay, good.
You know who wrote that? Sahih Bukhari?
Imam al-Bukhari.
He was speaking Arabic.
What's your question, bro?
No, does he speak Arabic?
Yes, he speaks
because
Arabic.
No, he doesn't read. He's from
Did you just say Imam Bukhari didn't speak Arabic?
No, he was from.
Did he speak Arabic?
Yeah, but you know that.
You just said he didn't.
No. What I'm trying to.
What did he just say?
What I'm trying to say that okay, but we'll go back to that.
What? Imam Bukhari doesn't know Arabic?
He's like a child. He's like a child.
You see this? Now that I'm translating, he's going into a tangent. You see that?
Okay, go ahead and translate that.
Yeah.
Please translate that. Go ahead and translate.
Okay. So, qutila,
Yeah.
are you paying attention now?
Okay, I'm paying attention.
And qatila both can mean to fight and kill.
Okay.
Understand?
Oh, they both mean a fight.
Both,
and kill.
both, yeah.
Thank
Because
you.
qutila.
This is I got it. Okay.
Go ahead.
So okay, that's
Go
fine.
ahead.
That's
You
fine.
good?
That's your answer.
You got my answer?
So, okay,
Good.
so-
Now I'm going to ask my question.
Sheikh,
Now I'm going to ask
okay,
my
hold on,
question.
let me
No.
let me
Remember
finish.
what the deal was. Remember what the deal was.
Okay.
Remember what the deal was. Are you a man? The deal was that I will translate, then they will ask me, let me ask a question, right?
Talking to
That's
me.
what they told you.
That's what they told me. You see, the Christian brother here said that they told me that if I translate, I can ask my question. Not debate on it. I translated it. You didn't ask me to answer. You asked me to translate. Now they won't let me ask one question. Look, you're a Christian. Put the camera here. As a Christian, just be honest. That's all I'm asking. Did they? No. Don't tell him what to do, what not to do. He's a man. Don't let.
Trying to beguile you.
Look.
You know what?
To get it
God is
mixed up.
watching all of us. This is what I'm going to say.
Okay, no, he's not gonna say. You're right.
No,
now,
let
that's
him
okay.
speak.
We don't have to depend on
Anthony,
him.
did they not say that if I translate, I can ask a question? Right, Anthony?
Listen. Okay.
Anthony, speak the truth. If you're not going to be honest, then I'm not going to talk to you. So I need honesty.
Running away. He's
Listen,
running away.
as a Christian, what is he saying?
Don't get involved with this man.
Look,
He keeps just mixing it in.
Tell the
bro.
truth.
Use
And then,
Use
If you
wisdom.
say something,
Come on, Anthony.
a man only has his word. And we all claim
use
that we're
wisdom.
from Abraham. That means we're all one family.
No, we did not.
Right?
We're not.
this is a Christian. This is not a Muslim. Don't let the beard.
We're not.
When
Anthony.
Messiah Jesus
Okay,
returns,
please keep your education.
Let talk, Anthony. No, don't let them shut you up. You're a man. Don't let anybody shut you up. Anthony, this is not. Don't be a punk.
I'm not a punk.
So then speak the truth.
I'm not a punk.
Speak the truth.
I ain't scared.
Speak the truth then.
Answer.
We are all
Answer here. Answer
Abraham's
here.
seed. Who's
Answer.
Abraham's
Anthony,
seed?
We're not.
Who is Abraham's seed?
We're not. Okay.
We
Here,
are Abraham's
Anthony,
seed.
Anthony, Sheikh, could you please answer?
I'm
here?
listening.
Oh, you're not
Look,
listening because
I
he's
just
getting
want
away.
one honest
He's getting
answer from a
away.
Christian.
He's getting
Did they
away
not
from
say that if I translate, that I can ask a question? Did they not say that?
When does the fighting stop?
No, but did they not say that?
Yeah.
They said
Stop engaging with
that
it.
they ask you something and you can ask them something.
Thank you. So they asked for to translate, right?
You have to
And I translated.
let me
Now it's
say
my
this.
turn. Go
I
ahead.
didn't know. I just know what I know here because
That's all I'm asking. Just right here, they said if I translate, then I can ask my question, right?
Anthony,
They said in front of you here that if I translate, then I can ask my question, right?
you looking for the dictionary?
So now I translated. According to what a Christian is saying, they said I can ask my question. Now I'm going to ask my question. You see this?
We're not done.
You see
Sheikh.
this?
We're not done yet.
You see this?
How
Anthony,
can we
please.
come together if we're all
Anthony,
Abraham's
please, could
seed?
you please keep with your
Look.
Okay.
Did they not say that? Now are they the liars?
He's just getting away. He's just getting away.
Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Video this. Look at them. Their own Christian brother is telling the truth, and now they're trying to hide it. Use wisdom means to lie here. Because they said, if you translate, you can ask a question. I translated, they're running from the Bible. Look, Anthony, would Jesus want you to tell the truth?
Don't get involved with it.
Okay, here is gonna
Yeah,
read.
so you're gonna be shut up by them? You're not gonna speak the truth?
Sheikh is
The
already.
truth is the truth.
The truth is the truth. Did they not say if I translate, I can? Yes, they did. Yes, they did. Yes, they
Then
did.
ask his question.
We will
That's
ask.
my man.
Yeah, we will.
Then you can ask a
That's
second
it.
question.
That's it. Let me ask my question.
no, yeah, you
Your
can
Christian brethren are telling you.
not
Let the world see the cowards of these
not
guys.
done
They
that.
won't let me
We're
ask
not
one
done.
question.
Translate.
When they agreed,
Translate.
I translated it, you asked for a translation, I translated translated it on video, and now here, when I have a question, they will not let me answer. And their own Christian brethren who at least honest, Hey, focus on there, because that's all he cares about is views. That's all they want. I can stand right here. No, don't touch me. Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me. Don't touch me, you touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. If you touch me, I'm going to defend myself. I'm going to defend myself. No, what you going to do? I'm not scared. Come touch me and we'll find out. Look, don't touch me. Why is he touching me? So then tell your bro not to touch me. You think I'm a punk? Come, yeah. You're not going to touch me.
Please, Sheikh.
Back up off me. Now, if you want me to talk to you, I answered. If you want me to talk to you, answer a single question. If you cannot answer a single question, your own Christian brethren are telling you, I'll move wherever I want. It's a free park. Now, if they cannot answer a single question of the Bible, there is no. This is a fruitless conversation. You tell me, what's the benefit if they're not going to stick to their word? Your own Christian brother is telling you, let me ask my question. Your own brother is asking you. At least he's honest. At least has some dignity to speak the truth. I translated, it's my turn to ask a question. But you guys can't. Don't tell me to get out of here. I'll get out wherever I want. I'm not going. What you going to do? Nothing. Because they cannot answer a single question about the Bible. I'm out. Shoaib. You don't talk to liars.